Hello my lovely viewers, we are once again back with another wonderful recipe. So today on our menu we have hot grilled chicken wings. So here we have already washed 21 pieces of chicken wings, okay, and dried out, so you don't want any form of water in the chicken wings. All right, and here we have our pounded ingredients. So we have garlic, 2 whole garlic, 3 habanero peppers, 2 big ones and a small one, so it's hot chicken wings. All right, and we have bell peppers, green bell peppers, 2 of that. So we're going to blend or pound the garlic, the habanero pepper, and the green onions, or the green bell peppers first, and then we add in the rest of our ingredients, which are a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, 2 Maggi bouillons, some salt, so this is less than a tablespoon of salt, and we have 3 tablespoons of mustard and 4 tablespoons of vinegar. We also have some oil here, about 3 tablespoons of oil, and this is to add to the marinade so that the chicken doesn't stick to the griller. Okay, so here we have our blended ingredients or our pounded ingredients. Okay, and onto that we're going to add in a tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of paprika, some salt, and the Maggi bouillon. Okay, then goes in the vinegar as well as the mustard. Okay, so I'm going to mix in all of that. So at this stage, this is how the mixture looks. I add in now the oil. Okay, mix all of that, and then straight away goes in my chicken wings. So all of my chicken wings goes in there now. Alright, and then I mix it all together. So this is how it looks marinated. Okay, so that same kind of marinade can be used for any form of chicken thighs, chicken breast, chicken legs, beef. It can also be used for fish if you want to grill it, or even if you want to fry it. Okay, so we're going to let this sit in this marinade for at least 2 hours. So the more it stays in the marinade, the better the taste, the more flavorful it gets. So keeping it in the marinade for 24 hours even intensifies the flavor better, but for the sake of time, we are going to only marinate it here for 2 hours. So after 2-3 hours of our chicken wings in the marinade, I'm going to start grilling now. Okay. So after 7 minutes on each side, the chicken wings have already cooked. So off camera, I reduced the flame because it was too high. So I reduced the amount of charcoal in the pot to evenly cook the chicken wings. So it took about 7 minutes, okay, to get to this level. As the second batch of the chicken wings are on the grill, we've sliced some onions here to be added to the remaining marinade that we have on the bowl. So we're going to add in about 3 onions, large onions. Okay, mix that and then let it sit in the marinade. So the grill is completely done. Okay, now we are adding in the onion. So all of the onion. That's our spicy grilled chicken wings, also called Afra in the Gambia. So you can add some mayo and ketchup to this and have it like that. You can have it with bread, you can have it with French fries, you can have it with salad, okay, whatever you want. Bon appetit. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel, share with friends and family, as we have more wonderful Ramadan recipes coming. Until we meet next time, bye bye. You have a great Ramadan.